Hi, welcome to Living Lotus Online. I'm Carole. You may have noticed that bridge pose and the pelvic curl on the outside look very similar. And whilst both of these exercises offer similar results, they aren't exactly the same depending on which modality you're practicing, yoga or Pilates. It all comes down to how the movement is activated depending on the desired results. My goal today is to combine the best of both yoga and Pilates to offer you some variations and varieties that will bring a little play to your Pilates and can also be utilized in a core strength yoga class. To begin, we will explore two foundations for this pose or exercise. Foundation 1 utilizes the pelvic curl principles. Begin on your back, knees bent, arms at your sides. Relax your neck. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, begin to lift your hips, driving the movement by drawing up through the pelvic floor and front abs. Allow your spine to stay relaxed, not pushing too much into the back of the arms or feet. This foundation is ideal for spinal flexibility, strengthening the abs and pelvic floor. Foundation 2 utilizes bridge pose principles. Come to the same setup as before. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, press firmly into your feet and back of the arms as you lift your hips. This foundation is ideal for opening the chest, strengthening the spine, and toning the glutes. These variations will strengthen both the hamstrings and deep core muscles. For all 4 of these variations, you'll begin with Foundation 1. Hold into your bridge variation on the inhale, drop your hips a little, and on the exhale, lift hips back up. Again, driving this movement by drawing up through the pelvic floor and front abs. Repeat pulsing at your comfort level. Hold into your bridge variation. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, lift one heel followed by the other. Inhale, drop one heel followed by the other. Again, repeat to your comfort level. Keep the pelvic floor drawn up and the front abs engaged. Before lifting hips, first lift one heel. Now, utilizing Foundation 1, come up into your uneven curl and then lower all the way back down to the mat. Repeat a few times before switching to the other side. Before lifting hips, first lift both heels. This may mean walking the feet a little closer. Utilizing Foundation 1, come up into your stiletto pulses, trying to keep your bum relaxed and hold here. Inhale, drop hips a little. Exhale, lift hips back up. Drawing up through the front abs, repeat pulsing for a few repetitions before coming back down. These variations are perfect for kick-starting lazy glutes, toning the bum, and strengthening the core. For all 3 of these exercises, you will begin in Foundation 2. Hold into your bridge variation. Begin to press firmly into one foot as you draw the opposite knee into your chest and extend that leg to the ceiling. Keep pressing firmly into your grounded foot and back of your arms. Allow the neck to stay relaxed. Inhale, drop hips a little. Exhale, press hips back up. Repeat these pulses for a few rounds before switching to the other side. Hold into your bridge variation. Begin to press firmly into one foot as you draw the opposite knee into your chest and extend that leg to the ceiling. Keep pressing firmly into your grounded foot and back of arms. Inhale, drop the extended leg towards the ground. Exhale, lift the leg back up to the ceiling. Work within your range of motion. The leg doesn't have to come all the way down to the ground. From your bridge variation, maintain a strong foundation by pressing your grounded foot and back of arms into the mat, and give your bum a gentle squeeze. Once again, draw your knee into your chest and extend your leg. Inhale, one rotation. Exhale, the other. Drop your leg parallel, bend the knee, and draw it back into your chest. Extend the leg and repeat. Do this a few times in one direction, and then switch before changing to the other side. If you tend to spend a lot of time sitting, hip flexion, then try these hip extension exercises to really release tension in the hips. Using foundation 2, hold into your bridge variation. Draw one knee into your chest. Inhale, keep the leg bent and drop toes towards the mat. Exhale, draw the leg back up, keeping the knee bent. Repeat a few times before switching to the other side. Using foundation 2, hold your bridge variation. Lift one leg and place the outside of your ankle onto your grounded leg's thigh. Hold and breathe. Repeat on the other side. Using foundation 1, hold into your bridge variation. Keep your bum relaxed. Inhale, drop hips a little and gently swing to the side. On the exhale, lift one hip point higher. Then swing back in the opposite direction, repeating for a few rounds. This variation focuses on the upper body and thoracic mobility. Utilizing foundation 1, hold your bridge variation. Inhale, reach one arm up and overhead to the opposite side, whilst maintaining as stable a pelvis as possible. Exhale, bring the arm back down and repeat on the opposite side. Hopefully this got you thinking about how you might explore poses and even adapt them to your specific needs. If you enjoy yoga fusion or Pilates classes, you may like to join me at my online studio, the link of which is below. Please comment on the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more Let's Talk Yoga videos. Namaste.